Welcome to our session on design thinking, a transformative approach that helps us tackle complex challenges with innovative solutions. At its core, design thinking is not just a process, but a way of thinking that empowers us to be deeply user-centric, encouraging us to understand the people for whom we are designing, challenge our own assumptions, and continuously iterate our ideas. This approach is crucial because it enables teams to step back and reframe the problem, often leading to more creative and effective solutions. Through design thinking, we can explore a wider landscape of potential than traditional problem-solving methods might allow, ensuring solutions are not only innovative but also deeply aligned with user needs. Today, we will explore how this methodology can transform the way your teams think and lead to solutions that truly resonate with users. As we delve deeper into the principles of design thinking, let's focus on three foundational elements that make it so effective. First, the user-centric approach. This is about more than just meeting users' needs. It's about truly understanding their lives, the challenges they face, and what they value. Techniques such as empathy maps and user personas help us gain insights into users' minds, driving designs that resonate on a deeper level. Next, we have the iterative process. Design thinking is not a one-and-done deal. It's about making, testing, learning, and refining. This cycle ensures that ideas are exposed to real-world conditions swiftly and often, allowing teams to learn quickly what works and what doesn't, thereby iteratively moving closer to the optimal solution. Finally, collaborative teamwork. Design thinking thrives on diverse perspectives. It pulls together people from different backgrounds, design, marketing, engineering, and even finance, to reframe problems in ways that one set of expertise could not. This cross-pollination of perspectives breeds ideas that are innovative and often unexpected, leading to breakthrough solutions. Together, these principles empower teams to create solutions that are not only innovative but also deeply aligned with user needs and tested rigorously through real-world application. They ensure that our solutions are both creative and practical, meeting the complex demands of today's challenges. Let's walk through the 5 stages of design thinking, which together create a powerful framework for innovation and problem-solving. We start with the empathize stage, which is all about diving deep into the user experience. Here, we're not just observing what users do, but also trying to understand why they do it. Methods like conducting interviews or shadowing can be particularly effective in gaining rich insights. Once we've gathered substantial insights, we move to the define stage. Here, the chaos of data collected during the empathy phase is distilled into a clear and concise problem statement. This statement acts as a guiding light for the development process, ensuring that all efforts are targeted toward solving a specific user problem. Next is the ideate phase, where creativity comes to the forefront. The goal here is quantity and diversity of ideas. Through brainstorming or creative thinking techniques, teams challenge existing assumptions and generate novel solutions. Following ideation, we enter the prototype stage. Prototyping is about bringing ideas to life with as little resource as possible. These early models are crucial for visualizing how real users would interact with a concept and identify any tweaks or adjustments that are necessary. Finally, we reach the test stage, which is about putting our prototypes into the hands of real users. This stage is iterative. Feedback from testing often loops back to earlier stages. By closely observing how users interact with prototypes, invaluable insights are gained, which can lead to further refinement of the solution. Each of these stages is iterative, and it's common to cycle through these steps multiple times as we refine our approach and move closer to a solution that is not only innovative but also practical and desirable from a user's perspective. Let's examine a practical example of design thinking in action with Airbnb. Initially, Airbnb noticed a significant drop-off in engagement from new users shortly after signing up. To address this, they embarked on the design thinking process, starting with the empathize stage. Through extensive user research, Airbnb discovered that new users felt the platform was complex and had trust issues regarding the hosts. Moving into the define stage, Airbnb clearly articulated the problem. New users were overwhelmed by the booking process and unsure about the safety and reliability of hosts. This insight was crucial as it focused their efforts on enhancing user trust and simplifying the user journey. In the ideate stage, the team brainstormed various solutions such as simplifying the booking process, introducing a more comprehensive onboarding experience, and integrating trust-building features like verified IDs and more accessible host reviews. Next, during the prototype stage, Airbnb quickly developed functional prototypes for these ideas. For example, they redesigned the interface to make navigation more intuitive and created a series of onboarding steps that guided new users through their first booking. Finally, in the test stage, Airbnb conducted A/B testing for these new features, carefully measuring user engagement and feedback. This iterative testing helped refine the changes further, ensuring that the final implementations effectively addressed the initial user retention issues. This example underscores how Airbnb used design thinking to transform a significant challenge into an opportunity to enhance their service, ultimately leading to improved user retention and satisfaction. As we explore the substantial benefits of design thinking, we see its powerful impact across various aspects of business and product development. First, design thinking inherently enhances innovation. It does so by creating a culture that welcomes new ideas and experimental approaches, which can lead to truly groundbreaking innovations. Moreover, this methodology places a strong emphasis on understanding and empathizing with users, which naturally leads to higher user satisfaction. By meticulously focusing on user needs and continuously testing our assumptions, the solutions we develop are more likely to meet and exceed user expectations. In terms of problem solving, design thinking encourages us to look at challenges from different perspectives. This often leads to discovering new opportunities and transforming potential barriers into launchpads for innovation. Another significant advantage is the speed to market. Since design thinking involves rapid prototyping and iterative testing, it allows teams to identify potential issues earlier, adjust quickly, and reduce the overall time from concept to market. Furthermore, design thinking promotes increased collaboration. By bringing together diverse groups from various disciplines, it fosters a more integrated approach to problem solving and innovation, breaking down traditional organizational silos. Lastly, there's a practical benefit in terms of risk reduction. The iterative nature of design thinking, testing, and refining ideas continuously means that potential failures are identified when they are still easy and less costly to address. Through these benefits, design thinking not only enhances the creative capacities and efficiency of teams, but also significantly boosts the overall strategic agility of organizations. Implementing design thinking isn't just about adopting a new process. It's about cultivating a mindset that permeates the entire organization. This involves fostering an environment where empathy, collaboration, and the willingness to experiment are not just encouraged but celebrated. Take, for instance, IDEO, a global design company well known for its emphasis on design thinking. IDEO has successfully infused design thinking into every layer of its operations, using it to develop products, services, and even corporate strategies. They consistently employ techniques like rapid prototyping and immersive empathy exercises to understand their clients and the end users deeply. This approach has enabled them to create highly innovative and successful designs that are both functional and user-friendly. On the other hand, Procter & Gamble, one of the largest consumer goods companies in the world, uses design thinking to stay ahead in a competitive market. By integrating design thinking into their product development process, P&G has been able to deeply understand and anticipate consumer needs, leading to the creation of products that not only meet but exceed consumer expectations. Their focus on learning directly from consumers, testing products in real-world scenarios, and iterating based on feedback has led to notable successes in product innovation and improvements. Both companies exemplify how design thinking can transform operations, leading to greater innovation and deeper consumer connections. By following their lead, encouraging empathy, enabling collaboration, and fostering an environment of continuous learning and adaptation, your organization can similarly benefit from the transformative power of design thinking. As we wrap up today's session, let's revisit the fundamental aspects of design thinking that we've explored. Design thinking is more than just a process. It's a powerful framework for innovation that places the user at the heart of every solution. It's iterative, allowing for continuous refinement and improvement. It's also deeply collaborative, drawing on diverse perspectives to challenge assumptions and uncover new insights. Remember the stages we discussed: empathize, where we connect with the user's experience; define, where we crystallize our insights into a focused problem statement; ideate, where we explore a breadth of possibilities; prototype, where we bring ideas into the tangible world; and test, where real-world feedback helps us refine our approach. We've seen how industry leaders like IDEO and Procter & Gamble have harnessed these principles to drive significant innovation and maintain competitive edges. Their success stories serve as powerful testimonials to the efficacy of design thinking in addressing complex challenges across various domains. I encourage you to take these insights back to your teams and projects. Embrace design thinking not only as a tool, but as a mindset that values empathy, collaboration, and iterative learning. Consider further training or workshops to embed this approach deeply within your organizational culture. By adopting this mindset, you'll open doors to more innovative solutions and ultimately drive greater success in your endeavors. Thank you for engaging so thoughtfully throughout this session. I look forward to seeing how each of you will apply these principles to transform challenges into opportunities for innovation. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your comments are also welcome and appreciated as they help us improve our content.